We're here at the University of Stirling today for the National Quality Outcomes Sectoral event. Alongside EHRC, SFC developed a set of national quality outcomes to support the tertiary sector and Scotland's colleges and universities in their aspirations to meet public sector equality duty. Today's event is an opportunity to hear about important equality work happening in the sector. It's about developing new approaches to tackling national equality outcomes and about bringing together staff and student voices to reaffirm our commitment to tackling equality in the tertiary education system.
Today we're talking about our Gender Affirming Fund, which was a student-led activity that we've done for the past 2 years, which gives our transgender students the opportunity to apply for funding to either purchase items or services that will support their gender affirming care. That also includes accessing free haircuts and beauty services from our college as well.
Today I'm presenting the work that Glasgow Clyde College has done with Brothers in Arms. This is part of Glasgow Clyde College's wider nurture approach and how we develop activities, relationships and the environment to support males in their mental health and suicide prevention with our student groups.
So I'm going to be talking about student partnership and student voice. These are important tools to support student engagement, and we know that student engagement is really important for student success, and part of those is belonging. So in order to engage in their studies, students need to feel that they belong, and student voice and student partnership are really important enablers of student engagement.
The national equality outcomes are very important to EHRC, and that's because we have a very long list of evidence that suggests that historically the sectors have not always addressed the most significant outcomes.
It's important to us because we know that we've got a very diverse student population, but we also know that we've got room to be more diverse and more encouraging and more accepting and celebrating more. So I think it's a really good way for us to make sure that we're being really deliberate around that, and not just by happenstance and not just reacting, anticipating the needs of our students and making sure that we're there for them at all times.
The national equality outcomes are important to Glasgow Clyde College as our nurture approach and our strategic plan include everyone, and we do all that we can to ensure that we have strategies in place to support all of our learners and all of our staff to achieve the best outcomes and to improve well-being.
We work hard to make sure that we put in place adjustments for them, listen to their life experience and support their aspirations and their success.
Today we've heard lots of feedback that really what they've been lacking over the past couple of years is knowledge of what's going on elsewhere, what works, what doesn't work, what the barriers are, what the enablers are. So, you know, a good practice sharing session will certainly help spread the good practice, and it also just encourages collaboration.